Hi, Overdose of Happiness, February 16, 17. 2021. Making apple chips. This is the chef that doesn't know how to cook, but I know how to use air fryer now, so I'm an expert now. We're going to make again apple chips. Earlier it was successful. Now I'm gonna show you how to waste your energy. Use air fryer. Waste your energy on air frying the apple. You can just eat it. Why are you gonna air fry? This is more faster to eat it fresh than air frying. So I'm gonna teach you how to waste your energy, especially in the Philippines. Energy is very expensive. Meralco, hi Meralco. The electric company, the big electric company. This is how you waste your energy, okay? Just air fryer, apple, everything, vegetable. But us, we are really not wasting energy because we have solar. We are taking advantage of our solar panel. Yeah, we have like 76 panel on top of our roof. But yeah, so people in the Philippines, this is how you waste energy, okay? You watch and learn. Just air fry it. I think one apple in the Philippines is how much? Hi Hershey, hi Bay Area, my cousin. Hershey is the one who really knows how to cook. She always cook. Bay Area, hi Bay Area, hi Tita Linda, hi Lola Inkay, hi Kate, hi Herb, hi Asia. So si Hershey po. Hi Ate Marla from Ohio. No, nakakaganda to. This one will make you pretty in apple green. So ayan. Yan po. 27 minutes for like 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Tama ba yun? Degrees Fahrenheit ba o Fahrenheit lang? Kaya tama ba ang aking sinasabi? Degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Degrees Fahrenheit. Hi teacher Ethel. So am I saying it correctly? 330 degrees Fahrenheit, or should I just say 330 degrees Fahrenheit? Spell Fahrenheit, just Celsius. I will just say Celsius. This is spelling bee. Hi. So this is so fabulous. I'm starving. I went to a birthday party earlier with my breakfast club, Nanay Prima. So we're only 4, but we have always tons of foods in front of us. So when on my way out, they were forcing me to have food, to bring to go food. And I said, no, I'm not gonna eat it. Nobody's gonna eat it. It's okay. I'm done. Hi, Ate Ika. Can you give me minudo? Ate Ika is all the real chef are watching right now. Ate Ika, Hershey, they are all watching right now. Ate Ika, I saw your juice. I like the carrot juice. Is it the carrot? I love carrot juice with cucumber. Ate Ika is so sexy now. From Las Vegas, from Morong Rizal. Hello, Ate Ika. Tito Kuya Buning, I'm gonna eat to you. I'm gonna go to your house and I'm gonna eat. Oh, I'm gonna go there tomorrow. Anyways, I'm gonna pick up Glessy's giveaway from the christening of my inaanak. Of an anak ni Glessy and ni Consular Joy Cruz. Okay, waste your energy like this, okay? This is green apple, and then this is the red apple. This is Snow White. When Snow White eat this one, he fell asleep. So if you want to sleep, go eat red apple. This is organic. I love organic. So this is Snow White, and then I'm one of the dwarf. Happy. So saying hi to Tino. Hi, Nurse Suzanne. Can you please tell me, do you have a vaccine already? Nurse Suzanne. Go. Look, you can buy apple chips at Costco and SNR. Yeah, apple chips. Suzanne to Tino. For more order, message to Tino. Ayan. Wala pa, ha. So, apple. This is Snow White apple. This one will keeps the doctors away. Claudia, hi Claudia. Hi, Claudia. Can you cut my hair? My hair is, it's a mess. It's like sticky. Sticky. My hair is dead from bleaching for several times. So it's like when you put shampoo, it's so sticky, like a wire, barbed wire. So if you go near me, you're gonna have a cut. So I'm the lady who doesn't have. I have one comb. I don't comb my hair. Remember, a couple years ago, I have a big knot. That's why I'm short hair today, because my hair was like this couple years ago. But since I'm so lazy to comb my hair, I always tie it up like that, and then after several months it was a big knot, and then I went to the salon, and then the hairstylist said, "What happened?" It's like I'm like a bomb, like this one. What happened? So she cut it. It's like steel wool. So you remember they always call me the messy hair, like that. Anyways, okay, Claudia, can you cut my hair? Is when I go home. I'm making apple chips. How many more minutes? 13 minutes. It's gonna be done. Look, for 30 minutes. This is the only one. This is the only one I make. This is 27 minutes. So I think I strongly suggest just eat it fresh. This is not good. Hello, Canada. Hi, Canada. Mga Canada people, Ontario, Toronto, hi, and Manitoba. Mga friends. But see, for 27 minutes wasting my energy, electric bill will go skyrocket. Not a good idea. It's healthy, but you're gonna have a heart attack to pay your bills. Anyways, hi Cheryl. This is our lunch tomorrow. She was telling right now that she's been laughing watching the video. This is the chef that doesn't know how to cook, but the real chef are watching me right now. They're so good. 3 chefs are watching right now. Cheryl, Hershey, Ate Ika. Who else? And then 1 hairstylist, 1 nurse are watching right now. And who else is watching? 1 teacher. My God, my viewers are very educated. So can you please tell me, is it 330 degrees Fahrenheit or just the 330 Fahrenheit? Anyways, Ate Marla, hi. Yes, I'm gonna bring some tomorrow. This is our snack and dinner for tomorrow. Cheryl, I saw you. You're so pretty.
Ayan, red, pwede mong lagyan ng cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Mayroon ba tayo? I think we have. This one I like. Matamis to kasi organic. That's good. Hi, Soiren, my handsome son. Soiren, hi. Can you do vlog? Can you do vlog with me? Mubak?
Mukbang.
Ano? Mukbang. I'm sorry. This is overdose of happiness of bloopers. You know, it's raw. This is a raw stand-up comedian. Mukbang. Bukmang sabi niya. Bukmang.
Mukbang. M-U-K.
Hi, sorry. Mukbang. Bukmang. Ayun. Healthy. Yes, I'm gonna do the vlog but healthy. Ikaw yung not unhealthy. So, let's do it. I'm gonna go visit California soon. Next month, I'll see you. Let's do a vlog with Pambansang Kulo kay Kuya Joel Modina. And Jeffrey San Juan, of course. Yeah, we're gonna do a vlog together. It's gonna be a blast. Kakabag na ako. Okay. 9 more minutes. Lucky 9. You guys are the lucky 9. Hello, Soiren. Hello. Ayan po, ang vlogger. Follow the blogger. Soiren, what's your name at blog on YouTube? Soiren? Yeah. Yeah, G. Ako dyan. Si Wonder Z. Follow Wonder Z. Subscribe Wonder Z on YouTube. He's a very good blogger. Very handsome. Handsome kid. Mukbang. I learned something. Mukbang. I said mukbang. So here to continue, I'm gonna continue my story. I went to a party, and then they were trying to force me to bring some to-go food, so to bring it home. I was telling, I don't want to, nobody's gonna eat it. And then we don't have rice too. And then when I opened the to-go, they still gave me some. When I opened the to-go, there's spring roll, there's fish, there's sausage, there's hot dog, and then the last one, there's rice. There's rice. This is so, no more. See, look, oh, there's spring roll. There's only, I said, only two spring roll. I said 2 spring rolls. And then they gave 1. They gave 3. Hi, Ebony Eve. Melbourne, Australia is in the house. You're in the kitchen with happiness. In the kitchen with happiness. Ebony Eve, you're so cute. You're the sweetest. Yeah. And she was laughing 2 days ago. Ebony Eve of Melbourne, Australia. She was laughing because I was FaceTiming with Hannah, doing the balloons to surprise her lolo, her grandfather. So she was like, and then I made the comment like with the balloons, inflating the balloons, and then I made a comment like, all of a sudden I said, oh, it looked like a bulb. Light bulb, the shape, and then she was laughing. Hello, hi Roxanne Francisco, hi Lily, hi California. Itlog, yes, we're gonna bring it boiled egg tomorrow, and this one. Hello Portia, hi Janet, I'm gonna go to California. I'm gonna see Bernadette. My best friend is Bernadette. Oh, Bernadette gave this to me. This one. This is in front of their house in the Philippines. So I have it and she have it. This picture was taken Jeffrey Sanowan, the photographer. Hi, Ate Josephine. Anyways, almost 7 more minutes. Earlier, lucky 9 minutes. Now it's 7, lucky 7. Here's what I did today. Hello po, hi. So, this is my favorite. It is organic. You can tell the difference if it's organic or not. But for 27 minutes, look what I got. I think really it's not good. This is not a good idea for me. My time is very precious. I can't do this. I'm just gonna buy at Costco. It's crunchy, but it's sunog. It's charcoal again, but it's okay. It's crunchy. Mapait. It's bitter when it's sunog. Okay. Hershey, hi. Okay. Overdose of happiness. Almost that's it. I'm gonna show you what I'm. This is the apple lady. She's the one who's. This is J-Lo. She's always the one who's bringing us apple. That's why we don't see doctors. That's because of her. She doesn't get sick. Yeah. That's J-Lo. She always bring us chocolate, strawberries, mango, yogurt. You swirl like that. Look. 5 minutes, pause. This is pause. Look. I have to chef. This is feeling chef like this. You just have to like that, up and down. Diba? Look. This is another wasting my time and my energy. 27 minutes again. So like 27 plus 27 is 54 minutes of my life is wasting. Hello, Jeremy, Jane. Yogurt ko, J-Lo. Sabi ni Hershey. Yeah. Okay. Overdose of happiness. I'm gonna show you tomorrow. But see, it's better to eat. I think I like eating pasta. Okay. Bye-bye. It's good night. Have a good night. Hi, Jessica, my best friend. Jessica San Juan from Hala Rizal. She's my best friend during high school days when we were 12, 13, 14 years old. Yeah. We're the lowest section because we don't go to school. Jessica is always failing because she's always late. Her grade is 77. Mine is 81 or 79. So we get along. We really get along. Me and Jessica San Juan, best friends in high school. Look at our section was like when first year high school. It's like I think it's flowers. Flowers is the section. When I was in high school, first year high school, the section is we're 20 sections in Morong Rizal. 20 section. Flowers, different type of flowers. Since section 1 from first year, section 1, the name is Sampaguita because Sampaguita is the national flowers of the Philippines, right? J-Lo is very, very bright. She's very bright. So she knows, she understands me because that's oh my God. But at least I don't get sick. Oh, Charity Chanel, hi. Hi, Charity Chanel. May inaanak, may the hairstylist and the makeup artist. Can you, hi, oh my God, all the hairstylists, may Alexis Mendiola and Charity Chanel are in the kitchen with the overdose of Mami Ninang. Hi, can you make Mommy pretty? Yeah, my God, they're all professional, only me. So listen to me. So section 1 is Sampaguita, meaning you're very bright student. You always go to school. You're a very good student. Me, I'm Dahlia, unknown. It's an unknown flowers. Up to now, I don't even know what is Dahlia flower is. Anyways, second year high school. Oh, I so fresh, Mommy Rhymes. I'm not fresh. I just took a shower, but I haven't combed my hair. So second year, how are you? I miss you. Second year is all about heroes. Section 1 is Rizal. Jose Rizal, section 1 is the national hero of the Philippines. At least I know that. My section is Lapu-Lapu. It's like a fish. My God. But Lapu-Lapu is a very good soldier, I think. But it's type of fish too. Lapu-Lapu is type of fish and a hero in the Philippines too. To those who doesn't know, you listen. Anyways, third year, colors. Of course, the colors gold, silver, bronze. I don't know what's the next one. That's Burdette section. Burdette, what's your section? But all my friends are in the higher section too. So I go to the higher section and I know them. So I'm a Miss Friendship. My section is in third year is color orange. Oh, no wonder. That's why I like orange. I think, yeah, I like orange, tangerine. I like one of my top 3 of color that my favorite is tangerine, orange. No wonder because my section is orange compared to the color gold. My God. Next time I'll be platinum. Anyways, and then the fourth one is all about tree. Very good tree like Nara, like mahogany. Ano pa bang tree? That's the famous tree. The very, very famous tree. When you buy it in the market, it's very expensive. Mine is Balite. Balite is my section in last fourth year. My fourth year in high school. Balite. The Balite is unknown again because I'm like in the middle. We have 20 section, 21 section. I'm in the middle or midline of the section. So we divided the higher section 1 to 10 in the morning. The lowest section, not really lowest section, but I'm in the middle in the afternoon class. So I'm Balite. That's my fourth year high school section, Balite, because I'm in the middle 1 to 10. I'm section 10 or 11. So yeah. So Balite is my section. Me and Jessica always failing. I go tutorial, I go this one. Yeah, we go out, we watch movie. We don't have C80 because I have asthma. So I don't go to C80. Hi, Charity Yvette. Hello, Ate Cha. So, Balite is my section. They didn't know that Balite is the strongest and the powerful tree. That should be the section 1. I'm the section 1 to the lower batch, so I'm 11. But that's the strongest tree of all. Not mahogany, not Nara. Nara is the section 1. So, Balite. Balite is where the ghosts, where the kapre, where the dwarfs, Nuno sa punso. My section is a very powerful tree. There's Nuno sa punso, there's a fairy, there's kapre. I don't know what kapre in Tagalog. Enchanted tree. Thank you. Thank you, Christine Ordonia. I love Las Vegas. I love Las Vegas. Thank you. Yeah. What is it? Enchanted tree. Yes, because everything happened in my section. That balite. Balite tree, there's always a, I don't know, like, you have to go to magtatawas. Like, what's the English in magtatawas? Dr. Quack Quack? Right?
Quack doctor.
Quack doctor. Because it's, no science can answer what's going on with you. All of a sudden, you were like this, like a witch. Like, no. Like, you know the TV sitcom Charm. Monkey Pweng. That's one. You have to go to Quack doctor. No real doctor, because it's a really enchanted tree. It's really something, it's a scary tree. That's why it's very powerful. So, in the middle of night, you have to, what do you call this? The one in a banana tree, there's a shape that big, color red, like a heart shape at the banana tree. They said if you take that and then you go there, and then there's, it's gonna be like an amulet. I'm not sure. I don't know, but that's how. So, Balite is section 1. That's the real one. I think my school in high school, I think they made a mistake that Nara is the section 1. It's Balite all over, to the highest level, to the power of this one, to the highest level. Which doctor? Yeah. Hello, Julia Concepcion Vital. Hello, Christine. Hello. Hi. Hello, Bingel, my classmate. Bingel is at the best friends are in the house with kitchen. Bingel is my elementary friends up to now. We are friends since we were 6 years old. Bingel Pascual, he is a musician and very nice, a good friend of mine. Bingel Pascual, hi, I miss you. And then Charity Yvette is my best friend here too. We keep on, we go laps all the time. Earlier, we go, hey, where are you? Let's go. Charity Yvette is a friend of mine who was very like, let's go. Every day. It's like, where are you? We're gonna eat. So, anyways, okay. Let me show you again. 3 more minutes. It's done. This one, the other one is done. Look. Oh, see? Another 27 minutes of my life is this one. Right there. Oh, nag-oil. Nag-produce ng oil. Okay, anyways, I'm tired. I'm almost done. 3 minutes na lang. I'm done. I strongly suggest just eat it fresh. Just eat it fresh. So the juice is still there. Ayan. Anyway, summertime now in Vegas. No. So I'm wearing my summer dress now. Red. Yeah, it represents apple, green, and then red apple, my red. Ayan. Okay. Overdose of happiness. Good night. Hello, Tita Tel. Hi, Rupa. Oh my God. All the glamorous glamorous group are watching me right now. Rufa, my hair. Alexis, my makeup. Hi, Charity Chanel, my dress, and my all in one. Hi. Tita Telma always cook for me when I was in Manila reviewing during my review class. Tita Telma Candelaria always gives me food. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. I don't forget that one. So I like chicken. Okay, I'm gonna suka. I don't have suklay. Look, I have. Look, wala na. Look at my eyebrow, eyeliner. Almost gone. Meron pa ba, girl? Halata pa ba? Meron pa ba? Yeah. I tattoo my eyeliner. I have to go back next month. See? Like that. I have tagihawat. I have pimple here. Anyways, okay. Thank you. I'm done. I'm done. Thank you, Rufa, Charity, Alexis, Wonder C. Follow him on Instagram, on YouTube. Wonder C. Wonder Z, as in Z. Zebra. Zebra, the striped animal. I like that. Okay. Dianson Martin Herrera, Tita Luchi, Balingan, hi. Orange tayo, yeah. Hello, Bugel. Hi, Bugel Mansana, hi. Who else? I think I missed something. Tita Babaje Pinion, hi, nice. Thank you for watching. Christine, and Miche Voluntad, hi. Thank you for watching. Jemery, Jane Pascual. Thank you for watching. Janet De La San, Josephine Janet. Hi. Okay. Mami na naman. Okay, I have to go. To those who are late, just watch the movie. Just the live. And Tito Joey. Hello, Felix Santa Maria, Philippines. Tito Joey, LA. I will be in LA tomorrow night. But only for several hours. LA people. Hi. Portos. I'm gonna be near Portos. You know Portos, the one with the cheese roll with a lot of, it's a sugar. When it's cake and sugar, there is. So Tito Joey Anselmo. Tito Joey Anselmo is the dad of my best friend. She's Joyful Joy. She's in Canada. I spoke to her a couple days ago, Tito Joey Joy, and she's busy. I'm busy. Like we FaceTime and our faces look tired. We're both exhausted. She's in a healthcare too and very busy with taking care of patients. Anyways, all right. So I miss Philippines. Okay. What else? Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.